Are you considering an accordion door? Let Specialty Doors help with all your plans and needs. We're the largest supplier of accordion doors in the USA. We have the widest selection at the lowest prices. Our fantastic product selection covers the simplest of closet accordion doors to the most complex systems from mall fronts, hospitals, stadiums, and airports. An accordion door will provide security, privacy, and the highest sound quality in the industry. Every accordion door is custom made to your specifications and to suit your needs. They arrive completely assembled from the factory with only a light aluminum truck to hang. They can be used for residential or commercial space, from educational to hospitality, including meeting rooms, retail security, classrooms, and yoga studios. We are here to walk you through the process, exceeding your expectations. No one can compare to our service, selection, or guaranteed lowest price. To learn more about our accordion door system, please visit accordion-doors.com or call us at 866-815-8151.